Great day, my beautiful revivers. So today I had a request to talk a little bit more about Palo Santos because I put it in my power kits, and I also share it with people when they're going through things. I tell them to smudge. And so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it, what it's for, and its benefits to you in your life. Now, it's called Palo Santo. Now, the original word is Basura gravelins, and the nickname is Palo Santo. So Palo Santos. That's what I call it. But the original wording for this particular wood, which is considered a holy wood, is Bursuragravolens. Basura gravelins. All right. This grows in South America, and it's been growing there for centuries. And it's translated from the word that I just gave you is considered an actual holy wood, and it has been burned as an energy cleanser. This ritual comes from the Incan tradition that says the smoke from the wood burned during spiritual ceremonies is medicinal. If it sounds a lot like smudging with sage, guys, it is similar, so similar. But some people use what resonates more with them. Sage is predominantly used in Native Americans, with Native Americans like South America. The shamans believe to burn Palo Santos as well, and it has a similar properties and capabilities that reset the energy that was tainted by negative conflict, arguments, things that just happen to just bring your vibes down. And that's why you get a lot of people smudging or, setting their intent for the energy in their homes. It is also thought to neutralize issues before they even start, guys. So I am a firm believer in smudging. Like throughout the day, I might just take the stick and just walk around the house and just smudge my home, and it keeps peace. It's a beautiful, beautiful smell. This is what sage looks like, and we'll do a video on that at another time. This is white sage. And yeah, but I resonated more with Palo Santos, which is why this is what I give to my revivers, my power kit mentees. This is what they get. So I wanted to just talk a little bit about how it works. Now, we have positive and we have negative ions in the world. It's the opposite. So the negative ions is what you want to create more of in your area, in your home. The negative ions are what brings the vibrations back up in your home if there have been conflict or anything like that. And all you do when you burn your Palo Santos is you just put it in a fire. Now this is new. I haven't had this. This vendor is new to me, which I love that they have these big chunky pieces. And I'll say that because the pieces that I get were so small and I was over it. And I still tried to burn them. I was even trying to find a clip to try not to waste them, but I still burned them, so they won't go to waste. But yeah, I have to find like a bigger tray now since I have these bigger pieces for these. So you just let it burn. And what you do is once it gets a nice burn to it, you just release the fire, blow it out. And you just kind of take it around your home, you can put it around your crown, just all around your body. Just smudge your area. Smudge your area to set intent for positive vibes, positive energy. Once you continue to do that, it sets in your home. And when people come in, they feel the energy. Every time people come in there, it's like, oh my gosh, it's so peaceful in here. There's just the energy that's just so amazing. Like, I don't want to leave. And you can also do this. Like sometimes I'll burn these and I'll just sit them in here and let them do their thing and just let them sit wherever they're sitting. So this, like I said, it relieves stress. It relieves anything that can calm your spirit. It's said to show agitated and harmful energy. It is said to show agitated and harmful energy the door, literally. It brings in positive healing energies and allows you to approach things with an unburdened mind. This way, you'll be better prepared to establish harmonious relationships, whether it be in the office, whether it be in your home, with your family, your partners. This is what it said to do. You can do this on your own. You can set your intention on your own. I probably should have lit that a little bit longer for it to get a better burn. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. Just light it with a match, whatever, from the stove, however you choose to light it, and you just let it burn. And so it is worth nothing. However, the research about this benefit or risk of exposure to the smoke from Palo Santos is limited. So there's no risk in the smoke. It hasn't been researched that it's harmful in any way, shape, or form. And also, if there's a issue with, how some people smoke in their homes and it starts to change the walls a certain color. My walls don't change. They are not looking dim or, smudgy or grimy from the smoke from the actual Palo Santos. So it releases significant negative ions, and it automatically starts to give you a peaceful feel. Your soul, your spirit becomes more content and becomes more at a relaxed state. So I resonate with Palo Santos. If you have any more questions about it, that is how it's used. I'll even take it and I'll go all through my children's room when they're sleeping. I'll set intentions just to remove negative energy, so they're not having nightmares or anything like that. Just protecting my home. This is information you can find yourself. This is not something I'm just telling you. This is stuff that you can actually go find. They have oils. They have incense. There's so many ways that you can burn Palo Santos and get Palo Santos, but I actually love this one better than incense or oils, which I can say I never even tried them, but I love the fact of holding this stick and burning it and letting it do what it needs to do. So yes, guys, if you have any questions about Palo Santos or you're interested in getting a stick, and I have huge sticks, lots of them. If you're interested in getting a stick, always remember anything in regards to what I share on this channel, you can find me at TheCPRVibe at gmail.com. You can email me if you have questions, if you want to know something, you like to purchase something, you would like to start meditating with me, all of that great stuff. You can find me at the CPR Vibe. I love you guys. I hope this answered the questions of those who wanted to know what Palo Santos was, where it comes from, and all those great things. If you have any questions, like I said, once again, down below. And if you want to email me something more personal for you and, you need my advice or you would like to purchase some, please feel free to email me. And remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it and you are the most important person in your life. Without you, nothing exists. And I shall see you guys later, Gators.